Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great week. We are almost close to Thanksgiving time, and of course I wanted to come and show y'all some cute and simple quick styles that you can do from the comfort of your home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to show y'all, this is something I actually been wanting to do for a minute. For some reason I just been envisioning it. It's so simple but it's so cute to me, and it's just like a nice big jumbo bun with like some nice swoop or baby hairs. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys take it with you and do it at home. Tell me how it works for you. All the information for us, the hair will be in the description below. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you subscribe. I hope you like this video. I hope you like some other videos. Let's get into this video. And if you are digging this already just from this part, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, comment below, share this video, and let's get to it. So to avoid extra heat, I just blew my hair out as straight as I could. So I'm going to be using this jumbo bun that I ordered from Amazon. That will be in the description below. Of course, my favorite edge boost for thick and coarse hair, y'all. It has to say thick and coarse, like nothing else. This is it. And then also, of course, your large rubber bands, hairpins, and a little bit of got to be spray is kind of optional. I'm just putting my hair up into a ponytail, and then I'm going to divide where I'm going to actually be creating like my big baby hairs, my big swoops. So if you do have kind of fine edges like myself, this is how I do it. All you have to do is just, of course, take out just a nice amount. You don't have to take out too much, but just enough to give you a nice, nice baby hair effect. And then I'm going in with my edge control, and like you would do with like any other product like gel or whatnot, I'm just going to be applying that around the perimeter of my entire head except for the baby hair part. And then I'm going to go in with, you'll see I'll be going in with one of my fine tooth combs just to kind of comb it through a little bit, not like completely through your hair because you'll tear your hair like that. Okay, so you see how I did it, right? So I actually realized that once I put the donut on, that you still would have been able to see the actual tracks. So what I did was I created my own little method where I kind of started to stack up just the wefts right here, like around the perimeter. I wind up stacking that actually on top of the hair. Now using my donuts, my little bone donut, I'm just going to be putting that on, and then all I'm doing is of course just spreading out the hair so that of course it covers. And I'm doing a tuck method with the tail end of the rat tail comb. And honestly, you don't have to, once it's tucked, you don't have to pin it, but just for extra security, I like to of course just add a few little straight pins. So I like to actually pre-curl what I'm going to be using as my baby hairs. I think that's the best way to help you to really form like some big nice swoops instead of just kind of forming it with your hair straight. It just makes it such an easier process, and when the hair is curled, it pretty much just follows wherever you want it to go. Last but not least, we got our baby hairs. So what I'm going to be doing is just applying a little bit of that edge control, not to the whole curl. And now I am forming my baby hairs. I wanted mine to be pretty big, so that's why I created the curls that I did. But as you can see, with the hair being pre-curl, it makes it a lot easier to kind of guide the hair and tell it where you want it to go and how you want it to lay. So there you have it, ladies. You see how I was able to just turn those clip-ins into a whole jumbo bun. The bun and everything will be in the description. This is so simple. I hope you guys understood it. I hope it's something that you try. It's just a cute and simple style. It literally took me like 30 minutes to do everything. So I hope y'all like this. Give me a thumbs up, please. Comment below, talk to me, tell me what you want to see next, tell me how you felt about it. You can also do this look, of course, with your traditional wefts, or your bundles. But for me, because I've been transitioning and really trying to take care of my hair and avoid as much heat as possible, I like doing it this way, where I just blew out my hair, apply my products, and just put some clip-ins in. So I will see y'all babes in the next video. And yeah, follow me on Instagram at Tatiana Simone, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.